Hey, what's up guys? So it is the last weekend of September and we are headed to the lake in the first time in 3 weeks. We haven't been out because we've been super busy lately, but it's a little chilly of a morning, so I have more of like a fall outfit on with layers, planning on bringing shorts, and we're going to pack my little backpack and then get the lake bag ready. I figured I'd share an outfit of the day. So this shirt is like a little tank top in a nice fall color from Shein that I just got. These pants, I don't remember where they're from, but they're just high-waisted leggings. Then I have this flannel with warm flannel inside from Aeropostale a couple years ago. It's a men's flannel, but it's nice and cozy and warm and good for like this weather. So happy I could layer, and I'll unlayer and then relayer again. I think layering is going to be my best friend for the next month or so. To the lake? We're gonna go to the lake. You're gonna roll again. Now there's 2 roosters. Rainy, what you doing? No. Oh, there we go. Jesus.
Rainy, are you right?
I think she has to get her zoomies out first. She wants you to chase her.
You don't know it yet, but we're going to a different lake.
I think she's excited anyways. Are you excited that the boat's ready to go because you haven't been out on the boat recently? Is that where all these zoomies are coming from? Come on, load up. Come on, Brittany, let's go. Go, go.
Go.
Oh. Whee! Hey guys, so we packed up the truck. Here's Brandy. She's looking for Michael's on the boat right now because he's getting his minnow thing to go get live bait. We were at the bait shop before getting to the lake. We're super close. It only took like an extra half hour to get here, so it wasn't too bad. It was slim pickings in the grocery store we found for food. So I think our plan is to eat like 1 meal on the boat, and then I know this lake has a bunch of like restaurants on the lake that you can dock up. You can drive your boat to and dock on. So I'm super excited about that because our lake has nothing, but we're at this like nice outdoor boat bait shop, and then we'll be getting to the lake. You waiting for Michael? Oh, you were not in good lighting. Stand the other way, we're not in good lighting. We can't see the fish that well. Hang on. So we're on Lake Murray. We are on an island. Apparently I'll flip you in a second, but this cove is apparently known for partying. There's not a lot of people today, but we figured we stopped to give Brandy a potty break. So let's go explore the island.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
is a no football Sunday, so it's day 2 at the lake. I think we're going to make this a 2-part vlog. So you just saw us yesterday go to Lake Murray. We're just gonna go to a normal lake and we gotta make some stops on the way. Today's outfit is brought to you mainly by Shein. The shirt is from Shein, the jacket is from Shein, and I wasn't gonna wear it with this, but I don't think the orange is too bad. And then I just have some shorts on from Old Navy.
I lost my screwdriver.
Hey, Brandy. Brandy, you gonna go to the lake again? You go to the lake again? Again? Do you wanna go again? Okay. Hey guys, so I realized that my camera was actually in a location where I could grab it, so I might be able to like kind of vlog us loading the boat back up. So right now, normally what we do is I drive the boat onto the trailer, but it's very windy tonight, so I told Michael I'm switching him jobs. So we tied the boat to the dock. There's a pool. We're just hanging out here with the boat and holding it until Michael comes with the truck. So that's the plan. I don't know how much I'll get to show you, but I'll just flip you around and show you a little. So Michael's like, I don't know if you can see the moving truck up there, but that is him. And then there's just that boat. There's a lot of people pulling out right now because it's, I think, like 7:30 or 8 on a Sunday. So it's kind of busy. So I don't think I'll get to film that much. But here comes Michael now. And Michael also has Brandy with him, so she doesn't freak out because she does not do good on the boat when we pull it out of the water on the truck.